Hey everybody, Landon with LMR.com. Wanted to intro this video real quick and let you know what we're doing. This is the 1988 Introvert, and this is the car that we have the BluePrint engine in. And we know a lot of you are going to be interested in knowing what the camshaft idle sounds like, and that's what we're going to provide along with a few other exhaust clips. So we'll do idle at cold start, some standing revs, takeoffs, and drive-bys. The car has Shorty Headers, free-flowing H-pipe into an American Thunder Flowmaster catback, which has the Super 44 mufflers. Y'all enjoy.